Hello guys, I'm so glad you're here. If this is the first time stopping by, hi, my name is Janet. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 girls and 1 little boy. On my channel, you'll find tons of cleaning motivation, organization, inspiration for home decor, and easy recipes to follow. As most of you know, since I am a stay-at-home mom, we rely solely on my husband's income, so you'll find tons of budget-friendly items and recipes that you can follow and ideas so you don't break the bank. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you don't miss an upload. So let's get started with this video. Bring on the spring. I wanted to show you guys real quick. I finally found a rug that I love. I love how it looks in my home. Let me know what you guys think. I will be purchasing new couches. Make sure you check out my community tab. I will be posting 3 different color sectionals or couches. Not sure which one I want to go with. And the colors, I'm not sure if I want to go with black, gray, or with white again. Let me know down in the comments what you think looks best in my home. Putting down this rug gave me a workout. I wasn't sure why everything felt so heavy and I wasn't able to move anything. I didn't realize my son was jumping on the rug and then he was on the couch. So every time I tried to lift or pull, my son would weigh it down. Oh my gosh. Let me just tell you, once I was done, I was like sweating. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to At Home with Bella for choosing me as one of the lucky winners for her giveaway. She gave away this pot along with 2 bunnies, a garland, and a tumbler. Everything looks super cute and super spring, so I decided to add them in, and it really elevated the look of my living room. When it comes to my table decor, I always just like to keep it simple and functional, and what is functional in my home is just to put a fruit bowl in the middle, just because it's the only place I currently have to put the fruit. The only bad thing is that my son enjoys grabbing the oranges or the apples and he'll throw them thinking it's a ball. But other than that, I mean, after they eat, or that's the first thing they see, so they'll usually lean towards grabbing a fruit opposed to grabbing some chips or some cookies, which I no longer keep in my household. Which leaves me wanting to tell you guys that I currently am on a diet, and we are starting to eat more healthier, and I have lost 20 pounds, although you cannot tell. This video was, I think I filmed it about 2 weeks ago. So currently, at my current weight right now, I have dropped 20 pounds. I am so happy, so proud of myself. And let me just tell you, if you are struggling to lose weight, I will give you a reality check. It is possible. It is a lot of hard work. And the process to getting to your goal weight can sometimes become a bit depressing, I'm not going to lie, because your body starts to change and it just starts hanging in different places, like your stomach or wherever you're holding the most weight. So it is kind of discouraging whenever you see yourself in the mirror, but just know that this is all a part of the process and you will love your end results. Back to the cleaning and decorating, we did purchase this rug the same day we purchased the other one. I just want to let you guys know, don't ever forget to check out your clearance section or the clearance aisle at Walmart. We got these for a really good deal. Although I feel as though we should have gotten a bigger rug for underneath the table, I feel like for now it's fine. It'll do until we find something else that suits us better. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. And let me know down in the comments if you want to know what I've been doing to lose weight. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.